This is George's stocking. Open it. Take everything out. What else?
Oh, come on.
Presents.
I got a chocolate bar.
What's that? Wait. There's something else. A present too.
What'd you get, Trini?
What'd you get, Dingle? George, open your present. You got chocolate Santas.
Happy as always.
What'd you get?
What'd you get, Trini? Georgia, what'd you get, George? Huh?
Oh, candy. What
Nice.
else? Oh, you got a present.
Oh.
Open this. Open it.
Well, you gotta open some presents too.
Here, you gotta open this. Look. Black and evil.
Yay, a buffle.
George, you got a camera.
Oh.
See?
I have another camera.
Does it work? Oh, bright. You got a puzzle. Look, you got a coloring book with a puppy. You got another book of lifesavers, candies, chocolate Santas, and what you got? What is it? What is that?
It's the Miss Papa.
Same as Papa, that's right. Yeah. Oh, you got picture me, I got picture you.
You did.
Papa.
You did. What did sister get? What did sister get? Sister's still opening all her stockings. That's a lot of stockings.
Mm-hmm.
What is it? Bolt. The DS Bolt game. There's more in her stocking? A chocolate Santa or a chocolate ball? A Santa?
That's the opening of the stockings.
Oh my god, sister got Smarty
2010.
eggs.
Oh wow, look at that.
Balls.
That's a big one. Okay.
Santa.
Purple.
A black evil